Okay, pulled all the hot side off, heat wrapped it, put it all back on. Tires in, fender liner isn't. I'm gonna take it for a little drive, see how it drives, just not making boost. Okay, made it back home. Got a video of Snapchat when I left a buddy's house. I'll put it in the video right here, if I remember, while I'm editing. Things sounded nasty when I got on it. I mean, I made no boost, and definitely need more exhaust built. And I think there's a few exhaust leaks, that's what it sounds like. You can really hear it in the video. So you can probably hear it in this video too.